Let me throw a question your way. What's red, savory, and nestled snugly in a bun, making your taste buds do the happy dance? You guessed it, the mighty hot dog. Ah, the unmistakable aroma of a hot dog sizzling on the grill. It's like a culinary symphony that's been playing across American street corners for over a century. Hey there, food and history lovers! Welcome back to another delicious episode of Food Storian, where we dive deep into the tantalizing tales behind your favorite dishes. Subscribe now as we're unraveling the savory history of an American classic that's as iconic as it gets, the hot dog. Let's delve into the birth of this legendary dish, a journey that spans across the Atlantic Ocean. In the late 1800s, German immigrants flooded the streets of the United States, bringing with them a culinary treasure, the Frankfurter. These sausages, made from a blend of pork and beef, soon became the talk of the town. Imagine the streets of bustling cities like New York and Chicago, filled with the rich aroma of sizzling sausages. It was a symphony of flavors waiting to be unleashed on American taste buds. Now enter Charles Feltman, a man with a vision as big as his appetite. Feltman, a Coney Island vendor, decided to take these flavorful Frankfurters and elevate them to a whole new level. In 1867, he started serving these sausages in rolls, making them not only portable but also changing the culinary landscape forever. Feltman's hot dogs were an instant hit. Picture the joy of beachgoers, carnival enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a quick, delicious bite, all thanks to Feltman's culinary ingenuity. Feltman's success sparked a hot dog revolution. Street corners and amusement parks were soon adorned with hot dog stands, each vying to serve the most mouth-watering variation of this newfound delight. The hot dog became more than just a snack. It became a symbol of on-the-go indulgence, a treat for the masses. And as these stands multiplied, so did the variations of how the hot dog was prepared and enjoyed. By the turn of the century, the hot dog had firmly established itself as a national obsession. From ballparks to backyard barbecues, it seemed like everyone had a favorite way to enjoy this tasty treat. The hot dog had transcended its humble origins, becoming an integral part of American culture. It wasn't just about the flavor, it was about the experience, the communal joy of sharing a hot dog with friends and family. Now that we've sunk our teeth into the origins of the sausage sensation, let's talk about the unsung hero of our story, the bun. Why is it sliced down the middle? And how did it become the perfect partner in crime for our beloved hot dog? Picture this. It's the late 1800s, and hot dogs are making their debut at Coney Island. But there's a conundrum. How do you hold this deliciously messy masterpiece without it falling apart? Enter the eureka moment, slicing the bun down the middle. But how did this ingenious idea come about? Legend has it that it all started at a pivotal baseball game, the birthplace of many great American traditions. Baseball and hot dogs, a match made in culinary heaven. Fans were struggling to balance a full-size loaf of bread with their sausages. It was a culinary tightrope walk that needed a solution, and fast. That's when someone, a hero among hot dog enthusiasts, had the brilliant idea to slice the bun down the middle. Suddenly, holding and enjoying a hot dog became as effortless as a home run. It was a culinary game-changer, a simple innovation that transformed the hot dog from a delectable challenge into an accessible delight. The sliced bun was born, forever altering the hot dog landscape. As time marched on, bun engineering evolved. Bakers experimented with textures, sizes, and toppings, turning the simple vessel into an integral part of the hot dog experience. From classic white buns to whole wheat pretzel buns and even gluten-free options, the variety of buns available today is a testament to the creativity and adaptability of the hot dog. The humble bun didn't stop at just holding the hot dog. It became a canvas for culinary expression. It's not just a bun, it's a stage for creativity, a platform for toppings to shine and flavors to meld. Now that we've relished the origins of the hot dog and uncovered the secrets of its bready companion, it's time to dive into the toppings tango. The hot dog is not just a sausage in a bun, it's a canvas waiting to be adorned with a symphony of flavors. So, let's talk about the art of dressing up the dog. Imagine this. A hot dog in its simplicity, waiting to be transformed into a flavor-packed masterpiece. The toppings are the artists and the hot dog? Well, it's the delicious muse. Let's start with the classics, mustard and ketchup. The dynamic duo that has been gracing hot dogs since time immemorial. It's a pairing so iconic that it's practically a culinary love story. Whether you're at a ball game or a backyard barbecue, The sight of that bright yellow mustard and vibrant red ketchup is enough to make any hot dog lover's heart skip a beat. But why stop at the basics when there's a toppings playground waiting to be explored? Onions, relish, and sauerkraut? These add a crunch and tanginess that takes the hot dog experience to a whole new level. The toppings tango continues with a dance of flavors that tickle your taste buds and elevate the humble hot dog into a gourmet delight. Now let's talk about the daredevils of hot dog toppings, those who venture into uncharted territory. Mac and cheese, chili, jalapenos, avocado, these are the mavericks pushing the boundaries of hot dog creativity. It's a wild ride of flavors that adds an unexpected twist to the classic hot dog experience. Because why not turn a simple dog into a culinary adventure? The beauty of hot dog toppings is that they're not confined by rules. It's a DIY delight, where you can mix and match to create your perfect flavor symphony. The hot dog becomes a reflection of your culinary personality. So the next time you're at a hot dog stand or firing up the grill, don't shy away from experimenting with toppings. Who knows, you might discover your signature hot dog masterpiece. And there you have it, fellow food lovers. The mouth-watering journey of the American hot dog, from its humble beginnings to becoming a star of backyard barbecues and baseball games. I hope you enjoyed this flavorful trip through history. If you loved this episode, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious content, and let me know in the comments your favorite hot dog toppings. Until next time, keep savoring those tasty tales. Cheers!